Hi, everyone. We're going to continue our talks about spring. So, we're going to look at this book that's called What Happens in Spring? Trees in Spring by Jenny Fretland Van Roost. Let's see. A tree wakes. It is spring. The days grow longer. The sun warms the soil, the snow melts, and flowers bloom. Everybody see all the snow in the flowers? Sometimes you can notice that with the tulips in the city. It is time for the trees to wake up. This tree did not grow all winter. Now it puts out buds. When spring comes, trees put out buds. These are buds right here. The buds open. Let's see what happens when the buds open. Some buds become flowers, as you can see here. See, this is a bud and now it's a flower. And some buds become leaves. See the leaves over here? Leaves collect sunlight. Trees use sunlight to make food. I can't wait to see what food makes. You can see some of the buds in the tree and the sun on it. Roots collect spring rain. Sometimes in the spring, it rains more often, and trees need water to grow. Look at all these roots. Sometimes roots are above the ground, and sometimes they're in the ground and you can't see them. They're in the dirt. Rain wets the soil. The trees grow strong. Here's a tree in the rain. Its trunk gets wider. This is its trunk. It gets wider. And its branches grow long, and here are all its branches growing really long from all the sunlight in the water. Look, bees visit the flowers, birds nest in the crown. Sometimes you notice birds in the trees and nests, and a lot of times when you see flowers, you see bees buzzing all around. Soon summer will come. This tree will make fruit. So first comes spring, and then comes summer, and you can see that there's cherries on the tree. And now let's learn about what grows in the gardens. Deborah?
Hi guys. Now we're going to talk about what happens in the gardens. So what happens in spring? Gardens in spring. Spring gardens. Spring is here. So this little girl is here and looks like she's gardening. She's on her gardening gloves. She's holding a little tree in her hands. It's time to start a garden. What should we grow? And this little boy is raking. Let's plant peas. Put your finger on your nose if any of you have eaten peas at home with your dinner. I think peas are delicious. Anne takes a spade. So I guess that shovel is called a spade. And she loosens the soil. She's making a spot for the plant. Tad makes a hole. Plop, he drops in a seed. So look, there's all those seeds and you're getting ready to plant his peas. Leah finds a watering can. She sprinkles water on the soil. Now they must wait. They need lots of water to make their plants grow, lots of sunshine. The sun shines down. It warms the soil. Under the ground, the seed sprouts. Wow, look at the different stages. So it starts out very tiny and then slowly, slowly, slowly grows bigger and bigger until it becomes a plant. Pat pulls up weeds. So he's weeding, taking the weeds out. Eva waters the soil. She has a big watering can. I wonder if any of you have watering cans at home. The plants are getting bigger. Look, the pea pods are growing on the vine. Look at that. They're growing off there. It's time to pick them. Yum, let's eat. Oh, so in the garden here, with the seeds we were talking about, and the pea pods, and the spade is the special kind of shovel for the garden, and the watering can. And they're talking about the soil, which is the dirt or the earth, and where the plants grow. You can see it there. It's very dark. We all know what the dirt looks like. Sprinkle, to scatter something in small drops or bits. So we sprinkle the seeds. Sprouts, when a plant sprouts, it starts to grow and it produces like little trees called the shoots or the buds. And the weeds, the plants that are not important, and they grow where they're not wanted. So that's why it's important to pick the weeds in your garden, because they could hurt your plant.